Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Infitech. In this video we are going to see how do we connect to our database hosted on AWS RDS from our pgAdmin tool. So this database is of PostgreSQL type, and we are going to connect to this RDS instance via SSH tunneling. And via I have this EC2 instance with me. This EC2 instance has access to this RDS database. So now let's open our pgAdmin4. I'm going to create a server and I'm going to name it as RDS via SSH. You can name anything you want, and in the connection I need to give the host. Here I shall give this RDS DB host. Let us give this. So this is my DB host and the port is 5432. Database is fiber-demo. Username is Postgres. And now let me enter the DB password. You need to enter your own password. I'm going to click on save password so that pgAdmin remembers my password. And then in the params I'm going to leave the default ones. And in SSH tunneling you need to enable this use SSH tunneling. And in the tunnel host, here you need to take your EC2 instance public IPv4 DNS and paste it here. The default SSH port is 22. So my instance is of Ubuntu, so my username would be Ubuntu. If yours is Amazon Linux, it would probably be EC2-user. And I have my PEM file with me. You will get this PEM file while you create your instance. So I'm attaching my movies.pem file. And yeah, password, you don't need to enter password because you're already attaching your identity file. Now click on save. Yeah, I think it is now connected. Let us see if we can able to access our tables. And yeah, I think this is working fine. So this is how you can connect your RDS DB instance via SSH tunneling, and make sure your EC2 instance has access to this RDS, and all your inbound and outbound rules must be having 5432 port in it. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.